Today, we celebrate a moment that truly highlights her dedication, commitment, and outstanding contributions to the field of education. Shelley Ma'am has been honored with the prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award under the Asianet News Education Excellence Awards. Dear Ma'am, on behalf of the entire school community, our ISEC staff and students, we congratulate you on this well-deserved